In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to install the RootWise Watering Pad to a hose bib water source. The RootWise 360-degree precision watering pad with patented root zone targeting technology is designed to water plants precisely to the roots for optimal growth and overall health. The RootWise system, designed by irrigation experts, is easy to connect to new or existing drip irrigation systems and will save you time, water, and money. Today we'll show you how to install it onto a hose bib water source. Let's take a look at the components we'll be using in this installation. The RootWise pad comes pre-assembled with a drip line and evenly spaced self-cleaning emitters integrated inside. No need to wrestle with tubing. Each RootWise pad comes with 3 stakes to anchor it firmly into the ground. A barb connector is attached to the end of the RootWise tubing to pierce and connect to the supply line. You can also use a cut and punch tool, which is sold separately to make it easier to pierce the supply line tubing. We'll also need a Y connector or hose splitter to connect to the faucet, timer to automate your drip system, filter regulator to control the water pressure and filter out particles to prevent them from clogging and damaging the emitters, and supply tubing with connectors. For convenience, the Y connector, timer, pressure regulator, and tubing come packaged together in the flower, shrub, and tree kit. Now let's get started. Begin by clearing the area around the base of your plant so the surface is as flat as possible. Then wrap the RootWise pad around the plant. If you're installing more than one RootWise pad, lay out all the pads around the plants. Next, connect the Y connector to the faucet or hose bib. Attach the timer onto the Y connector. Then thread the filter regulator onto the timer. Connect the tubing to the filter regulator. Secure the RootWise pad to the ground with stakes. Shorten or lengthen the RootWise pad tubing if necessary. Angle the barb connector from the RootWise pad to keep the tubing flat on the ground. Then pierce and connect to the supply line. Now your RootWise pad is connected. Repeat these steps to install additional RootWise pads. Turn on the water source to deliver the water to the RootWise system. Take a peek underneath to see moisture evenly delivered into the soil. Now you can program your timer following the instruction manual. For the last step, cover the RootWise pad with mulch to blend it into the landscape. Now your system is ready to go. For happy, healthy, and hydrated plants, there's a better way to water with a RootWise 360-degree precision watering pad. It's a game changer and a plant saver. The RootWise watering pad is available now, along with other residential irrigation solutions from Raindrip. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about this video and leave a comment, and share. For more about the RootWise watering pad and other residential irrigation solutions, visit us at Raindrip.com.